Design, engineering, and manufacturing is the driving force behind any machine. Every sector, such as industrial, automation, agriculture, power plants, building and construction, are all driven by one solution: the power transmission belts. Welcome to Endura Hitech, where innovation meets reliability. At Endura Hitech, we fuse cutting-edge technology with expert craftsmanship to design and manufacture a comprehensive range of high-quality V-belts such as wrapped, cogged, banded, automotive, lawn mower, or dry cover and variable speed belts. The extensive range delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. Our success is driven by a dynamic team of over 450 talented professionals, including skilled engineers from diverse backgrounds, ensuring unparalleled reliability, commitment to quality and performance in every product we manufacture. Endura Hitech empowers your success. In the year 1992, Mr. Anuj Farsaiya and Mr. Sandeep Bansal set up their first manufacturing unit in Noida, India, under the parent company Omfa Rubbers Limited, with a vision to become a leading manufacturer of high-quality agricultural, industrial, and automotive belts. They began with producing wrapped construction V-belts, starting with an initial capacity of 2 million units per year. Within a decade, Omfa Rubbers Limited successfully carved out a niche for the Endura Hitech brand, expanding their reach across the country through a comprehensive distribution network. Thus, Unit 2 was set up in 2002 in Greater Noida and Unit 3 in 2006 in Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. For over 3 decades, the unwavering support of our esteemed clientele and a strong distribution network of over 150 distributors has enabled us to push our boundaries further. Today, our production capacity has grown to an impressive 13 tons per day. As a leading supplier of industrial V-belts, automotive fan belts, and agricultural belts in India, we now export to over 28 countries worldwide, including Russia, Ukraine, the Middle East, Brazil, Poland, Uganda, Kenya, Saudi Arabia, Fiji, Syria, South Africa, and many more. We also have an overseas office in the UAE to support our worldwide network. We are an ISO 9001 company with an annual turnover of over 100 crores and have been awarded the Star Exporter Award from the Government of India. Our success is rooted in a steadfast commitment to providing exceptional service across various industries by understanding the unique needs of our customers and their consumers. Throughout the years, Endura Hitech has adapted and evolved to meet the demands of our clients, both in India and beyond. From custom rubber solutions to standard components, we work closely with our clients to meet their unique needs. Sustainability is at the heart of our operations. We prioritize eco-friendly practices, having closed-loop water and energy cycles, and using solar power to meet our energy requirements. Our dedicated team is here to provide support and guidance, ensuring you find the perfect solution for your project. Endura Hitech works towards manufacturing the highest quality products through continuous improvements at an economical price. Our passion, precision, purpose, partnership and performance drives cost-effective and efficient practices. We constantly meet and exceed customers' needs and expectations. Endura Hitech stands for quality, integrity, and innovation. Let's create something exceptional together. Together, we can build a greener future.